The following segment is sponsored by Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care.
End-of-life care for veterans is the specialty at Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care. Kathy Ford, a nurse practitioner for Patriot Hospice, is with us. Good morning, Kathy.
Good morning.
Today we're learning more about your physician services program, but before we get into that, give us the overview and tell us about Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care. What makes it so special?
Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care, all of the people who work with us are very, very intertwined with our patients. We care very much about them, and we try and meet them where they need the need, and that is usually in their homes or assisted living facilities.
There's a lot of love there too. Let's talk physician services program. Talk to us about the services you provide there.
We have a physician services program which offers primary care in the home. Primarily, this is for people who have a very hard time getting out of the home and getting to a physician's office. We also have a contract with an in-house lab team that comes to the home to draw a patient's labs so they don't have to leave. We also contract with a mobile imaging service. So if they need an x-ray, they come to the home, which makes it much easier for the patient and the family.
Absolutely. A lot of resources and making it as easy as possible on them. Tell us about your typical patient. You talked about people who just aren't going to be able to leave their home easily, but who are these patients? Who are you providing care to?
Right. We can see patients from the age of 18 on upwards. I have patients who are over 100 years old. I believe all the providers here probably do. They are very special. They need in-home services. They have a lot of diseases at the same time, which prevent them. Maybe it's a breathing problem, maybe it's a diabetes problem, maybe it's a problem that they can't walk, they can't easily ride in a wheelchair, they're bedbound, they can't get up and leave.
And the cost of the visits, it's typically billed through insurance, is that right?
That is correct.
Okay. Anything else about just what makes you passionate about the work, what you love about the work you do, and anything else at Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care that people should understand?
I love the interaction with the patients and the families. As a nurse, I've been a nurse for 30-something years. That has always been my goal, is to take care of the patient where they are and provide the support. Maybe it's just a little hand holding. Mm-hmm. Maybe it's sitting there in a moment of silence with the patient. And maybe it's having a full-on conversation and laughing with the patient. Maybe some tears included in that, but the patient and the family become our world.
Yeah, a lot of emotions you share, and you really give to that relationship back and forth. I know they appreciate you, and you love them very much. So we're really glad to have you here today, and people want to know Patriot Hospice and Palliative Care is located at 101 Grace Drive in Easley. You can learn more online at patriotcares.com or call 888-515-3007. Kathy, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you so much.